Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to complete the exercises of this chapter as we have earlier completed the content related things of this chapter. Today what we are going to do, we are going to end up with the exercise and the question and answers. Now moving further, what we have learned till now, we have learned many things. Likewise, what introduction to computer, we have learned about information process cycle, how does a computer works, input process and output and storage. We know we have learned how to maintain our hardware, how to keep our mouse clean physically, how to keep our system clean, and we have learned about the human wares and what are the reasons we should care for our human wear. We have learned what is a new word, that is technology addiction. Now let us self-evaluate ourselves. We have been given these points at our book page number 8. After reading this chapter, I know these points. We have to agree or disagree. I know that a computer is an electronic machine that works according to the instruction given by us. Yes, it's a machine that works according to our instruction, because जब तक हम उसे कुछ नहीं कहेंगे it's not going to do anything. It always works over our instruction. Next is, I know that data is a collection of unorganized facts which can include numbers, images and sound. Yes, data एक unorganized fact होता है. अगर unorganized means जो कि किसी manner में organized नहीं है. Okay, organized मतलब in a way you could say. Yes, it is a true. I want you to read these points and memorize them, and they would be adding additional question. They would be coming in the form of additional question during your examinations. Okay. I know that information refers to the data that is organized, meaningful and useful. Data क्या होता है? That is organized, meaningful and useful. Next, I know that a collection of related instruction organized for a common purpose is referred to as software. Yes, related instructions जो कि एक साथ collection में रहते हैं वो एक software कहलाता है. ये true है. I know that hardware is any part of the computer that can be touched or felt. You can touch the mouse now. You can touch the screen. You can touch the keyboard. These all are hardwares. Okay. Then we have to agree over this. Next, I know that computer inputs data, process it, stores, displays the output as an information. Yes, universal truth. We have learned about the information process cycle. All these things are done under that particular process only. Next, I know that we should take care of our computer so that it can work properly. We have learned various things. What we have learned, we have learned how to keep our system physically clean. Okay, we have learned how to keep our mouse clean. We have learned how to keep our keyboard clean. Okay, we should clean it up so that it works properly. It doesn't stop in between while doing a work. Next, I know that agronomics is the study of people, their physical character and the way in which they function in relation to their environment. Yes, अभी पढ़ा था, दोबारा समझाने की ज़रूरत तो नहीं है. I know that top edge of the monitor should be at the eye level or slightly lower than that. While while learning about the positioning of the monitor, I've already told you at what distance or at what particular posture you should sit, that the top edge of the monitor should be at your eye level. Next, I know dust built in the computer and its component can also cause many problems. Yes, dust होगा, computer hang होगा, repeatedly restart होगा, definitely true है. I know that humanware refers to the person who program, design or operate a computer. So, yes, humanware वो person होता है, or you could say humanware is a user who uses the system. Next, I know that technology addiction occurs when some technology users become obsessed with the computers, mobile devices, and the internet. Likewise, nowadays people or teenagers are obsessed with the mobile. With at the older age also, they are obsessed with the mobile, seeing their mobile, seeing the videos, listening to the song continuously. Earphone is plugged into their ears. So that is technology addiction. Now moving toward our exercises. take the correct answer of the following. Okay, now let us do it out. A collection of unorganized facts, figure, statistics related to an object is called a data. Yes, we have learned in that self-evaluation also. We have learned earlier in that particular that keyword which I have taught you, उसमें भी यही था, डेटा होता है, अनऑर्गेनाइज फैक्ट्स फिगर को हम डेटा कहते हैं, और जब कोई फैक्ट फिगर ऑर्गेनाइज मैनर में होता है तो हम उसे एक इंफॉर्मेशन कहते हैं. तो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज बिटवीन इंफॉर्मेशन एंड डेटा. नेक्स्ट, डैश होल्ड डेटा इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर फ्यूचर यूज, इनपुट डिवाइस, मॉनिटर और स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस. ओके, इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेस साइकिल में आपने पढ़ा था स्टोरेज डिवाइस स्टोर्स डेटा फॉर द फ्यूचर यूज. नेक्स्ट इज एनी पार्ट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर यू कैन टच और फील इज अ हार्डवेयर. यस, कोई भी पार्ट, अभी एग्जांपल दिया था माउस का, कीबोर्ड का. नाउ प्रोसीडिंग फर्दर, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ पर्सन हु कम्युनिकेट्स विद द कंप्यूटर यूजेस द इंफॉर्मेशन इट जनरेट इज कॉल्ड यूजर. एक पर्सन जो कंप्यूटर के साथ, जैसे आप हैं, आप कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हैं, यू आर टाइपिंग समथिंग or giving instruction to the computer, what are you are an user. Next, the main part of the computer that is used to process the data is called as CPU. I have told you that is the brain of the computer. Full form of it is central processing unit. Next, dash is a technology related health condition that affects our eyesight. What is the technology related health conditions that affect our eyesight? That is CVS, computer vision syndrome. Okay, next, continuing with the true and false. Now first question, central processing unit is the main chip in the computer. We have done MCQ regarding it also, so it must be true. Yes, it's the main chip in the computer which does all the work. Next, back and neck strain should be avoided while working on computer. Definitely, we have to take care of our posture. To prevent wrist strain while typing, keep your elbow level at the key with the keyboard. True, we have learned the precautions so that our wrist doesn't get strained. Yes, it is true. We should keep our elbow level to the keyboard. D1, when you are seated, your feet should not be flat on the floor. False. Why? We have learned your feet should be flat on the floor. It should not be above the floor. Okay, so what more thing you have to do here, you have to correct the statement also. Okay, आप इसका correct statement क्या होगा? When you are seated, your feet should be flat on the floor. Okay, in examination it could come in the form of correct sentences. To mark, also cut not to make it a correct statement. Next, carpal tunnel syndrome, CTS, is a technology related health condition that affects the wrist. True. दो तरीके के सिंड्रोम्स होते हैं, एक तो CTS होता है और एक होता है CVS. CVS रिलेटेड है आईज से और CTS रिलेटेड है wrist से. Now continuing to our fill in the blanks, and after that we are going to end up our chapter. Dash is an electronic machine that works as per the instructions given by you. Computer is an electronic machine. That is the definition of the computer. Dash is a collection of unorganized facts which can include word, numbers and images. That is data. Data एक collection होता है unorganized facts का, जो जिसमें words रहते हैं, numbers और images. The main job of the computer is to process input into output. क्या करता है, जो हम उसे instructions देते हैं वो एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ इनपुट लेता है और हमें प्रोसेस करके इन द फॉर्म ऑफ आउटपुट देता है. डैश कीबोर्ड इंक्लूड फीचर एज एन अल्टरनेटिव की लेआउट एंड palm rest ergonomics. Next, dash is a rapidity stress injury, RSI. RSI is rapidity stress injury. You have learned about it while learning about the carpal tunnel syndrome. It's the another name of carpal tunnel syndrome. Now F1, to clean the system unit, wipe it with a cotton cloth every day. Okay, now D part I want to discuss it with you on page number 7 of your book. Update your knowledge में they have given about the ergonomic keyboards. Ergonomic keyboards are designed to reduce the risk of wrist and hand injuries that result from the prolonged use of repetitive movement. An ergonomic keyboard include features like alternative key layouts and palm rest to minimize the strain while typing. What is there? एग्रोनॉमिक कीबोर्ड में पाम रेस्टिंग के लिए आपका स्पेस रहता है. नॉर्मली कीबोर्ड में क्या होता है, कीज होती हैं, देर इज नो पाम रेस्टिंग प्लेस. तो एग्रोनॉमिक कीबोर्ड में देर इज अ पाम रेस्टिंग place there so that your palm can. Now at this point I want to wind up my chapter. We would be covering our next chapter in our next lecture, that is tables in LibreOffice base. Okay, I would be attaching question and answers in the form of PDF that is going to be your assignment for these 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. By tomorrow you have to complete that particular question and answer in your notebooks and attach it in assignments. Okay, don't forget it, you have to do it. Your work would be revised only while the school when the school gets open. Nothing is going to be repeated. Keep it in your mind. You have to be very attentive while we are giving you lectures. Okay, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.